Hello, I'm James Alexander Sinclair and I am a garden designer and a member of the RHS Council, and I tend to wander around Chelsea Flower Show judging gardens. People say to me, they say, what do you do, James, when you are not gardening? And the answer, sadly, is that I do more gardening. So I think that I fit into what could possibly be called an obsessive gardener. So I am here to tell you what I would like for Christmas and what the other obsessive gardeners in your life would like for Christmas. And the first thing is, of course, a membership to the glorious RHS. And the reason why you need one of these, if you've not already got one, is partly because you will get a copy of the garden every month. Secondly, because you will have access to about 200 partner gardens, as well as the RHS gardens at Wisley and Harlow and Whitehall and Rosemont. And thirdly, because you will be doing good things, because the RHS does good work and you will be supporting them. Second thing that you would really like is because at this time of year, our attention has gone from flowers and leaves because they've all fallen off, and it has come to stems. So I've got here a really fabulous Cornus, and there's a little willow down there as well. So what happens is that now, when the low winter light is glinting across your garden, this is the sort of thing you need, because they will shine through the gloom of November and December. The third present for the obsessive gardener in your life is, of course, a gardening book. And the RHS website has 1 billion books on it, at least. And there's nothing better than sitting in front of a warm fire during winter, trying to plot what you're going to be doing the following summer. And my attention this autumn has gone to fruit, actually, because I don't have very many fruit trees in my garden. So I planted a couple of apples and some pears. And everybody's attention this year, during the troubled year of 2020, has gone to growing food to eat. So I would say, concentrate on fruit. Top fruit, apples and pears, and soft fruit as well. And so a combination of those three things, ideally, if you love your obsessive gardener a lot, get them all three and make them very, very happy. So happy Christmas and have fun.